Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn fundamental theorem of arithmetic or unique factorization theorem. Observe, first one is factor. What is factor? A factor of a number is the number that when divides the given numbers leaves no remainder. For example, take a number 8. 8 is divided by 1. 1 8 ja 8. So remainder is 0. So 1 is the factor of 8. So another one is 4. 4 2 ja 8. So 0 remainder. 4 is also factor. Divide by 3. 3 2 ja 6. So the divisor, the remainder 2 less than divisor not equal to 0. So therefore 3 is not a factor of 8. Okay. So we know that 8 is equal to 1 into 8, 2 into 4. So therefore factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the factors of the 8. Okay. Another example 20. We know that 20 is equal to 1 into 20, 2 into 10 and 4 into 5. So these 6 are the factors of 20. Next one is prime numbers. A number has exactly two factors, one and itself is called primes. A number has exactly two factors, one and itself is called primes. For example, 2. 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2. Next one is 5. 5 is also 1 and 5. 3, 1 and 3. 7, 1 and 7. So 1 and itself are the factors of the given number. That numbers are prime numbers. Next one is composite numbers. Numbers having more than two factors are known as composite numbers. A number has more than two factors are known as composite numbers. For example, 4. 4 factors is 1, 2, 4. 4 has 3 factors. So 4 is a composite number. Next one is 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the 4 factors of the 6. So 6 is also composite number. Okay students. Prime factorization. When a number is expressed as a product of its factor, we say that the number has been factorized. When a number is factorized, expressed as a product of its factors, we say that the number has been factorized. The process of finding the factors is called factorization. There may be several ways in which a number can be factorized. For example, 24 equal to 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6, 2 into 2 into 6, 2 into 4 into 3 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, these are the different types, several ways in which a number can be factorized. Observe the last one. 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here all are the prime numbers. 24 equal to 2 is multiplied 3 times and multiply with 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here all are the prime numbers. Where all the factors are prime numbers is known as prime factorization. Okay. So for example, another one is 20. 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. Here 2, 2, 5. These are the prime numbers. So this one is also prime factorization. Okay. Next one is fundamental theorem of arithmetic or unique factorization theorem. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. For example, 66. 66 is written product of prime factors. So 6 into 11. 6 is a composite number. 2 into 3 into 11. 2 into 3 into 11. Another student write same 66 is equal to 3 into 11 into 2. Another student write same number 2 into 11 into 3. Okay. Their product is 66. and all are the prime numbers, but different order is change. Observe here 2, 3, 11, 3, 11, 2, 2, 11, 3. So here observe here another one definition again. Every composite number can be expressed as product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Here order of the prime numbers is different but unique way. Okay, another example 420. So 2 into 210, 2 into 2 into 105, and 2 into 2 into 3 into 35, another one 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So all are the prime numbers. Observe here 2, 2, 3, 5, 7. All are the prime numbers. This one is the prime factorization of the 420. Here the order is changed. Observe here 420. 3 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 7. So 3 2 is 6, 6 5 is 30, 32 is 60, 67 is 420. So observe here 2, 2, 3 change, place is change. Okay, so here place is change. The different order but all are the same prime numbers. Okay, this is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Observe another question 27,300. How to write prime factorization division method? So given number is divided by small prime number 2. So 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1, 2 6s are 2 5s are 0. Again divide by 2, 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. Divide by 5, 5 1s are 5 3s are 5 6 ja, 5 5 ja. Again divide by 5. 5 2 ja, 5 7 ja, 5 3 ja. Again divide by 3. 3 9 ja, 3 1 ja. Again divide by 7. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. Again divide by 13. 13 1 ja. So therefore the prime factorization 27,300 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 7 into 13. Okay, so write the order, ascending order. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 13. Okay, here express in the exponential form 2 power of 2 into 3 power of 1 into 5 power of 2 into 7 power of 1 into 13 power of 1. This is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed in the prime factorization and unique way. The order is changed. Okay. Observe here. Formula x is a composite number. X is equal to product of prime numbers p1 into p2 into p3 into p4 into so on pn. Here p1, p2, p3, p4 and pn are prime numbers. Here p1 less than or equal to p2 less than or equal to p3 less than or equal to p4 less than or equal to pn. Okay students, this is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic and formula. Write the given number, prime factorization and write the order and express in the exponential form. Thank you students. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. First one is my website, second one is my blogspot.